Twitter CEO pushes out top execs, freezes hiring. Paraj asked me to leave after letting me know that he wants to take the team in a different direction. Does that mean he's hanging around in the Elon era?
Now. Yeah.
Him and Elon, they sorted it out? Pals? Trump's coming back?
Yeah. I hope so.
Twitter is shaking up its top leadership. The first move came as consumer product leader Kayvon Beckpour announced on Twitter that the current CEO asked me to leave after letting me know that he wants to take the team in a different direction. Bruce Falk, the general manager of revenue and head of product for its business side, confirmed in a now deleted tweet that he was also fired by Agrawal. Ooh, cleaning house, new era, getting things ready for the renovation.
Different directions.
You got to demolish the old and bring in the new.
Dare I say, shockwave?
You might, you know what? It might be a meltdown inside. Well, you were talking last night. We were watching your hockey team last night.
Yep.
And you said your guy came in and he brought his guys with him. Remember that?
Oh, the coach. Yeah. Yeah. Sutter. Yeah.
You say, look, he brought his guys with him. That's the way he knows how to get things done.
Yeah, because he's won with them before, so he wanted the guys he needed to build his team.
And they had to take somebody else's jobs, didn't they?
Yeah, absolutely. Different direction.
Absolutely, they did.
Going in a different direction.
So there's going to be some type of renovation over at Twitter. We don't know exactly what it's going to be. Now, Jay Sullivan will take over as both the head of product and interim head of revenue. These moves are occurring at the same time Elon Musk moves forward with his $44 billion purchase of Twitter. Although he hasn't taken ownership of the company yet, these things take time. Here is the memo that the CEO of Twitter wrote to his employees at the beginning of the pandemic. In 2020, the decision was made to invest aggressively to deliver big growth in audience and revenue. And as a company, we did not hit intermediate milestones that enable confidence in these goals. Interesting. Maybe he's hanging around. He's talking like he's hanging around.
Yeah, he's got to be hanging around.
He's talking like he's hanging around, or he has a shot to hang around. And it's like, deal's not done yet, but let's go get some things cleaned up and see if maybe what I'm stepping into here, maybe there's some parts worth salvaging. Maybe I don't need to bring that many people over. Maybe there's some talent over here. I mean, I'm just speculating. Here we have some of the tweets. Interrupting my paternity leave to share some final Twitter-related news. I'm leaving the company after 7 years. This is Kayvon Beckpour. The truth is, this isn't how and when I imagined leaving Twitter, and this wasn't my decision. Paraj asked me to leave after letting me know that he wants to take the team in a different direction. I mean, I guess if you don't meet your goals, then that's the way it goes. Corporate America. You don't meet your goals, you go get some different goals somewhere else. So